Shopping is an essential part in our day-to-day, and going to the shop to make purchases both on-site and online is usually easier when we know what we are going to do there already. Well, welcome back to our channel this day. If you're searching for the best deals, top products, and expert shopping tips, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will outline some apps that are similar to Temu where you can get free stuffs. In this video today, we will take a step to concentrate more on Shein and Temu, and look for some other websites like them to make purchases online. Without any more waste of time, here they are. 1. AliExpress. 2. Zaful. 3. Azos. 4. Pretty Little Thing, and Ally Likes. Temu and Shein represent the new face of e-commerce, and getting similar apps is just something normal. Well, there are several other options using the link in the description below. Here ends our short video, but before leaving, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest guides and reviews.